Priscilla, I promise to love you unconditionally and be devoted to you above all others. We shall never be alone, and we shall dance in our joyous times and embrace each other in times of sadness. We will always ensure that communication and understanding our core values will be the golden thread of our relationship. These vows were easy to write for me because it's a promise that we've spoken to each other multiple times, again and again. We've faced many challenges and we've emerged stronger and more loving than ever before.
Since the first time I met you, I knew that you were special. I really knew within myself that you were the one since the beginning. You have been by my side, always so caring, so lovely. You fed me, you consoled me, you prayed with me, you embraced me. You were my rock. We navigate every season of our lives with so much love, understanding, and care for each other. That gives me the confidence to know that no matter the challenges we're going to face ahead, we will always be able to overcome them all together, always looking after each other.
Standing together, we'll face the future, and with our little brown book, we'll document all the celebrations year by year that we achieve. I'll always support your endeavours, your career and your dreams. Our home will always be a sanctuary and a safe place to come to at the end of the day. Priscilla, you've opened my eyes and given me hopes and dreams for the future. I promise to always love you, and I will find a way to show how much I love you every single day.
Today, I pledge my loyalty to you in front of our family and friends. I give myself to you, and I promise to always try my best to make you happy. I promise to respect you, to take care of you. I'm very excited to build our family and our future together, and to have many more adventures with you. I love you.
Ladies and gentlemen, on behalf of Mark and Priscilla and their respected parents, we welcome you all today. It gives me the greatest joy to be able to stand with this incredible couple and officiate their wedding today. Well, here we are. Such a beautiful day to celebrate this beautiful couple.
I give you this ring as a token of my love and affection for you.
By this act, I declare before God, family and friends, that I will be to you a faithful and loving husband, as long as we both shall live.
With this union of hearts and hands, and by the authority vested in me, I hereby pronounce you man and wife.
But marriage is also about fun, excitement, love, shared times. But Mark, remember there are 7 words essential a successful marriage. Yes, dear, you are right, and I'm sorry. Pri and you are about to embark on a very exciting, enjoyable journey together. Enjoy married life, and never forget the experiences and love that brought you together. Melinda and I wish you the fulfillment of all your hopes and dreams for the future, and love and happiness always.
fills my heart and my chest up to see that two people who can relate to each other, who can share the same passions and values in life, it just means life works. And the Lord has a way in His work with us.
Que Deus abençoe vocês nessa nova caminhada. Que vocês estejam repletos de felicidade. Que seus vasos transbordem de azeite. Que suas lâmpadas estejam acesas. Sua casa cheia de fartura. E que seus filhos sejam alegria ao redor da sua mesa. Mamãe, felicidade.